Hi and welcome to Pure Pilates Ibiza. My name is Ivana and today I'm going to share with you a really nice recipe on how to make Carob Truffles. What we're going to need is, I have 10 dates here. When you choose your dates, make sure that they don't have extra sugar on them, because sometimes this could happen. So ask, are these natural when you buy your dates? I previously removed the stones that were inside. I'm gonna use 1 cup of carob flour, 3/4 of the cup of almond flour, and I have a little smaller glass. So if it was, I didn't have another glass like this of the same size, so it will be probably about half of this same measure of the coconut, dry coconut. And optional, I have avellanas, which are hazelnuts, chopped up really fine for covering of the truffles, and a little bit of water for the dates. So we start heating up the pot where we're gonna place the dates. All the dates go in. I'm gonna make sure they are all touching the bottom, and I put this water there. So it really just needs, as they say in Spanish, un fondo de agua, which is just a little bit of water to stop them burning. And on a low fire with the lid on, we're gonna let them soften. We use carob in energetic kitchen as a sweetener. It's very rich in natural sugars and proteins. It's a good source of vitamin B1, 2 and provitamin A, calcium and iron. So the dates have been cooking slowly. They're nice and soft now. So I'm just gonna bring them out on this bowl. And mash them. So this is our base. They smell so delicious. And now I add the carob. I'm gonna do it in here. So it's easier to work with this. Then we also add on almond flour, coconut, and now it's become very dry, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more water in there. So I was adding bit by bit a little bit of water while I was mixing this to come into this kind of consistency, so it's solid, not too liquid. Because now I'm gonna take it in my hands and make a little rolls like this. And you can play around, have some without covering, some with. You can even roll few in a coconut, so there's a different color again, different texture. Make one like this. And you can even do, sometimes it's nice to, instead of roll the whole one, maybe just the one. It's half and half. So we had fun rolling these little guys, and as you can see, some of them are rolled in hazelnuts, some of them are just as they were. And you can store them in a fridge and enjoy them as power balls whenever you need a little bit more energy. So this could be your little treat in the afternoon. I hope you enjoy this and let me know how did it turn out for you.